attitude that I most definitely from.
Hey everyone, my name is Riya and welcome to my first ever YouTube video slash vlog. Okay, so this one is from my trip to Maharashtra. We went to Mumbai, Lonavala and Mahabaleshwar, and yeah. Hi guys, we are in Bombay and this is Tia. What would you like to say about your Bombay experience, Tia? She's actually camera shy, guys, so she won't speak a lot, but she's got new nails. अभी मैं घर जाके same लगाने वाली हूँ. Hi Tintin. Tia is obsessed with Michael Jackson. Hi Mama, say hi to the vlog. So we have reached Mumbai. We have reached the place. Okay, so let me give you all the house tour. This is the living room. This is the living area where you can dance around. This is my favorite area. This is my favorite area. This is the balcony. You can sit here. I can film videos, and I'm so excited. We have the mandir area, and let me show you all the kitchen. Okay, kitchen tour. I'm gonna show you guys the snacks that we have, which is crazy. We are loaded with snacks. We have cake. We have fudge. We have egg. And in the fridge, oh my god, the best ice cream to ever exist. Wow, bathroom tour kar rahi hai Tia. What do you mean this full length mirror balcony? One thing I really like about Mumbai is the balcony. Mumbai is very cute. Okay, so I ordered a swimming costume. Let us see. Ta-da! The pretty swimming costume has arrived by this brand called Gracie Looks. I thought this is what we ordered. This is what we've received. ज़्यादा हिरनंदानी में भी थी. चलो, इतने क्यूट है ये. Hi guys. Hi Tia. We just had a very fun day, a very fun trip, and we had paneer momos, which were the best paneer momos. I forgot to film. Then Tia had tikkis, and that's basically it. And we had golgappes. That was really good. That's all we did. Now we're heading back home. Sorry, we're going to get groceries. Let's do a snacks haul. I got this to make that haul. It's Korean ramen. It is carbonara creamy veg. And the next thing I have is this. My favorite after thing in the world. I पसंद आते हैं, so hopefully ये भी अच्छा है. Cheers. We got brew coffee. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the snacks I actually love, which Papa has served for us. It is this cake, this ramen raisin cake. So this is slightly little stronger. It is non-alcoholic, but very good. Don't ask me. Then we got this fudge chocolate brownie. I'll try this tomorrow. Nails. I just did my nails. I forgot to shoot and make some ramen. Instructions are unclear. It says 400 ml pani डालो and bitch what the fuck, but I have like a measuring cup named 400 ml in my kitchen. So I just brought out this. Okay, thank God I read labels because I was just about to throw this off when I realized कि इसको बनाने का तरीका actually is very different than Maggi. आज पूरे दिन यही करा है. I am not even kidding in the fact.
2,000 years later.
Mine's fully done this.
मम्मा का अनुलोम विलोम चल रहा है यहाँ पे. And I wish I monsoon होता, because if there would have been monsoon, everything would have been so lush. Nift Mumbai, guys. Nift Mumbai. Say salam to Nift Mumbai. Oh my God, it's cheap. We have matching nails. So guys, I've almost reached. It's gonna take 1 hour and let me show you what the scenery looks like. Let's make go. Having पापा देखो मैंने कैसे
कुरकुरे।
खाया कुरकुरे। Okay, we have reached the room. We just reached. It is 1:20 as you can see on the screen, and we checked in I think 5-6 minutes ago. And yeah, the weather I would say is very nice. मुझे लगा कि बहुत धूप हो रही होगी, गर्मी होगी and बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. धूप is like this place is so beautiful. Mahabaleshwar is like known for its monsoons. This is the peak time to come for monsoons, and अब monsoon नहीं चल रहा है due to some climatic condition which is called the El Nino probably. Which the first thing is my mom. यहाँ पर आपको मिलती है mom. She looks very pretty today. चलो ऊपर जाओ. आ जाओ. Okay, let me give you guys the tour now. We'll start with the balcony. जो मैं बोल रही हूँ उस हिसाब से तो करना ही नहीं है. So pretty. You see the entire Sahyadri mountain range over here, and it's so pretty.
एंड बच्चे खेलते
It's
हैं.
also going to rain in the valley. It was raining right now. It's going to rain hopefully. Mama, hello. Then we have the bed, and we have this beautiful couch. Then we have the. Okay, I love the mirror. Great mirror selfies can be taken. So I forgot to give you all a fit check. So this is my fit. I am very accessorized today, I would say. Hi Tintin. Tia ने एक new makeup सीखा है, inspired by a panda. The view is literally so pretty. मुझे लग रहा है कि बारिश आ ही रही है बस. All of us are recording. With the man in the mirror. कितने cringe हो आप? सिग्मा बॉय रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं कर रही ना? कर रही हूँ. छी इतनी गंदी वीडियो के रिकॉर्ड. जैम. Guys, we are going swimming. It is empty. Nobody is here at the pool. So that means we have the pool to ourselves. मम्मा को बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी होने वाली है. देखते हैं if Mama is going to be able to swim or not. नहीं, मैं एक ही बार में जाऊँगी. No, I don't think so. Tia, do you think Mama will be able to swim? Do you think you will be able to swim? I don't think so. Okay, let's go to the pool.
be able to. I know.
Now the vacation has fully begun. And we are back again. We had so much fun. Love swimming. I would 100% recommend you to learn swimming, or if you know swimming then please swim more because it was so therapeutic for me. I was इतनी ठंड थी, इतनी ज़्यादा ठंडी पता नहीं चली कितनी ठंड थी. So I am making some coffee for myself. So I am just warming up this kettle. I think everybody loves hotel rooms. I too love hotel rooms. I don't know about you, but I love this particular corner of the hotel room where you can create your own chai, coffee, whatever. And I remember when I was a kid, I used to like have these games that I used to have in my head, and I used to play all of these games. It used to be so fun. This jersey now because we need to go for, there are some I think games that are organized by the resort, so we'll be attending that. Also, did I show you all that there's a gym? There is a gym, like an actual literal gym in this place. Is literally very good. I wish that they would pay me money because does this look good? Hell no. Does this smell good? Wait. No. Does this taste good? Okay, things happen. We can't do this. See, this is the mess that I made. Hello, Papa.
Hi.
हाय राज ड्रोवर, क्या अपना गाना सुनाना चाहेंगे राज ड्रोवर?
लेके वहाँ बोटिंग होती है उसमें और
We were at Gates Point and this is such a beautiful
Gates Point पे नहीं है,
point.
ये
Sorry,
Arthur's
this is Arthur's.
Elphinstone.
No.
Elphinstone Point.
तीन नाम बोल दिया मैंने. This one was
नहीं, Elphinstone Point है.
Point and this the views were breathtaking and
नहीं, हम
this was
जानबूझ के
better.
दूसरे
Please इधर आइए. This is the point and this is the view. Right now the weather is like very nice.
जैसे सिर्फ ये इंडिया नहीं है तो आप लोग
प्लेटफॉर्म पे जिनका बोटिंग हो गया आगे.
Guys, we are going for boating, dressed up as Roblox avatars. You know Roblox avatars with their broad shoulders. What is that? We are doing rowing boat. मम्मा के ऊपर तो इमोजी आ रहा है. मम्मा तो है ही नहीं मेरी वीडियो में. मम्मा या emo punk phase में actually when the younger siblings try to be nonchalant bros. She is in that phase, guys. A complete nonchalant bro. Preppy वो wannabe girls होती है. Wow, I'm going to miss the pool. Last few hours at the property.
क्योंकि लाइट है कम लाइट पैक भी लाइट है.
स्ट्रॉबेरीज कहाँ है? दिखी नहीं दीदी.
वो रही बताती हूँ.
We're at the place called Micro Garden and this is not, I think this place is pretty overrated. We're having some ice cream and we have this tote bag. We got one thing. We got this Micro का original crush. We tried this and then we got this. ये मुझे दे दो. So cute. We're getting khakra. There's this khakra station. Shows the entire process of making khakra, and khakra has been secured in these very cute bags. वो वाला राइट वाला
वो गिर जाता है. धमाल के अंदर जो बस गिर जाती है ना संजय दत्त पहाड़ी में अटक जाता है.
डॉन नंबर 1 रिया. डॉन नंबर 1 मम्मा टाइगर.
आपका बेस्ट नाम है
क्या है? जैक्सन. माइकल जैक्सन. ठीक है.
पापा से लेके वापस ले लेती।
बिल्कुल बिलीव नहीं करूंगी कि पांडवास केव है, क्योंकि दिस लुक्स लाइक अ मैन मेड केव। ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है। तो पांडवों ने थोड़ी बनाई है ये केव। ये केव कैसे बना सकते हैं वो? We have reached this cave sort of area. एंटिया और पापा एक साथ जा रहे थे ऐसे करके, और टिया बड़न चिल्ला रही थी। And हमने बहुत सारी वीडियोस ली है एक्चुअली।
और रेज के घोड़े का नाम था डॉन नंबर 1।
इतना प्यारा था वो। आई पेटेड हिम एज वेल। मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था उसको देख के।
सबसे ऊंचा था और सबसे बड़ा था।
या लिटरली दे वर लाइक ये दीदी सबसे लंबी है तो इसको सबसे लंबा घोड़ा दो। एंड देन मैं उस घोड़े पे बैठी, बट इट वाज वेरी फन। आई थिंक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, द सेकंड टाइम एवर मुझे बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगा होगा घोड़ों का, लाइक बिल्कुल भी नहीं। अदरवाइज सर रो रही हूँ कि मुझे ट्रैकिंग करनी है। फाइनली वी आर ट्रैकिंग। मैं अपने ट्रैकिंग शूज भी लेकर आई थी लाल कलर के, बट द डे आई वेयर स्नीकर्स ऑब्वियसली देन वी आर रैंडमली गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रैक। देयर इज नो mountain trip without a good trek. We are going to Tiger Caves and there is supposedly a restaurant there. Peak trekking experience. पापा को लग रहा था अभी पीछे वाली जो टहनियाँ है उनमें से एक स्नेक है। और रेड सॉइल, जब हम हिमाचल में या उत्तराखंड में जब हम कर रहे होते हैं, रेड सॉइल नहीं होता ना वहाँ पे।
ये आराम से, और हम सारे जा रहे हैं टाइगर केव जंगल के रास्ते होते हुए। और मेरे सामने एक जंगली बिलौटा, बाल खुले हुए जंगली बिलौटा मेरे सामने है।
Have reached Tiger Caves. Same exact thing, the same exact price. We have reached another cave, the Tiger Caves. The same thing. Damn crazy, but with a view. Wow. Two tourist gimmicks. Love how we're going to the same thing twice. 2 caves बनाए इन्होंने, टाइगर केव्स एंड उसके पहले कौन सा था पापा? पांडव केव्स एंड टाइगर केव्स। 2 केव्स बनाया। They are the exact same things. They look the exact same. Look, there is a tiger. Oh my God, there's a tiger. Crazy. So pretty. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. यहाँ पे चिंटन बैठी हुई है। I will put clips, but like there's like a forest in the valley, and I love this. Clouds are perfect, and we're going to Lonavala now. Finally, visit all the points, and we are leaving Mahabaleshwar. This is apparently Asia's second largest plateau, which we walking on, baby.
Lift the flap and pull the ends apart.